Recently, US government has begun $150 million repair and upgrade program for 4,500 electric vehicle chargers across 20 states at an average cost of over $30,000 per charger. United States government has begun a massive repair and upgrade program for the country electric vehicle charger, with the first repair project kicking off in the national capital of Washington DC. And the $150 million program will replace or repair around 4,500 existing electric vehicle charging ports across 20 states. That will start with inoperable charger in Washington DC. These upgraded charger will offer faster speed, serve more driver, will also become part of wave of project creating good jobs across the country.